Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So like you all know that previously we have started a new tutorial series of C++ in which we have covered up different things, and I hope you are enjoying that all videos which we have covered up in that playlist. So today in this video we will be learning about C++ as well, and in this video I'll be telling you that what are strings length in C++. Like we will be learning about a string length, and I'll be telling you why we use a string length, how we can use this string length, and what are the elements we have to use when we are using a string length in C++. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video from start. So if you enjoy this video and if you understand this amazing tutorial video, so remember to hit a like to this video, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel, and also share this video so more people can learn about these amazing things. So just now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with this amazing tutorial video from start. So now here we are on the computer screen, and I have told you in start that today in this video we'll be learning that what are string length in C++ and how you can start with it. Like if we talk about a string length, so to get a length of a string, use the length function. Like if you want to get a length of a string, you have to use this length function here, or you can say a length element here, then string txt. So in a string txt we have written this value a b c d f g h I j, means we have written a to z all alphabets here in this string text variable. Then after these all things which we have written in this string text variable, we have created a count tag in which we have written the length of the text string is. Now it will be giving you txt.length, which is a function which we are using of this string length to check the length of a string. Like a to z, we are getting all the alphabets of a b c d here, and then when you will be writing this text.length here, so it will be giving you the length, like how much is the length of this alphabets which you have written in this text variable. So if you want to see the example, here is the same example which we were getting at the top, but difference is that now we are getting the size. Now we are writing dot size, which is an other element you can use in this string length here. So if I just copy first of all this thing, if I copy this string txt in which we have written all the alphabets, then in count we have written the length of the txt string is, then you will be getting the length because we have written txt.length function. I'll be copying these all things here, and I'll be just moving on here, and I'll be just changing the name, and I'll be just changing its name to string length in C++, and I'll be pressing enter. After pressing enter, you can just see the title has been changed here, and I'll be removing all these things which we are getting. So just press Ctrl A and then backspace to remove all the things in your REPL. And after doing that, just write first starting code as include IOStream. So I'll be writing here as include IOStream like this. Then write here using namespace std. Then you have to move down and write here init main bracket open close, then make like this and return the value as 0. So we have returned the value as 0. Now I'll be pasting these all things, and after pasting this, you can just see now we have written a string txt in which we have written a to z all alphabets, and in these all alphabets we have written count, and in count we have written the length of the txt string is. Now it will be giving you the length because we are using txt.length function here. Now I'll be running it by pressing this run button, and after pressing this run button, you can just see it is giving me the length of the txt string is 26. So it is giving me the length as 26. Now you can just see how good is that it is giving you a length, that what is the length of your string which you are using, and it is really amazing thing here, because if you use these all things, means if you use any string and it is giving you the length, so it is really good thing, and you can do it in C++. Like if I write any string value here, like if I write my name like this inshal, and now if I just run it, so you will be getting a value of my name as well. Like now you are getting an error because we are not closed the string here, so we have to close this string as well. Now if I run, so after running, you can just see now we are getting the length of the txt string is 6, because now we have written my name, and if I see in my name how much letters we are getting, so this I is 1 2 3 4 5 6, so we are getting 6 letters, and that is why it is giving me the txt string length which is 6. Now if we use the same element here, but now we will be using the size element to use these all things. I'll be copying the same thing, I'll be pasting here, and I'll be just commenting out these things. Then after doing that, I'll be just changing this length to size. Now I'll be writing the size, and I will be just running it, and after running, you can just see now we are again getting the same thing, that length of the txt string is 6, because same thing is of size as well. You can use the size function as well to get the length of the string, and you can also use this length, but the difference is that you have to use this length function because length function indicates the perfect length of the string in which you are writing. And remember, it will be only giving you the length of your string, not of your I can say not of your integer. Like if you're writing an integer value 1 2 3 4 in the string, it will be giving you the output of that as well. But remember, when you're writing an integer value, you have to use this string double quotes as well, because if you don't use any double quotes of a string and then you're writing the values, it will be giving you an error. And if you're using an integer element to write all these things and then using this length function, so it will be not working, because this length function is only used to get the length of the strings which you are writing. Like if we talk about this 5 6 7 8 9 10 which we are writing, these all values are of integer, but right now we are writing these all integer value in a string, and that is why it will be counted as a string. Now if I run this to get the values, you can just see now the string length we are getting is 11. So it is saying is that the length of the txt string is 11. You can also change the name of the string here if you want. Like if you want to change into string x, then you have to change here as well. X dot length you have to do. Remember, when you're writing any string name here, so you have to change down here as well when you're writing dot length. When you're using this function of dot length or any function you're using, you have to write the same string name which you are writing here at the top when you're defining the value here. So right, I've changed the value, means I've changed the string name to x, because previously it was written as txt. So I've changed the string name to x, and then when I've changed here, so I have changed here as well that x dot length. Now if I run this to get the output, you can just see now the output which we are getting is again the 11, because we have written 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 which are the 11 value which we are using. Now I've added two values more, so now the output you will be getting will be as 13. If I run here, so you can just see now that txt string length we are getting is 13. I will be now changing it to x, so that we can see the length of x string is x dot length means 13. So I'll be running it, and you can just see it is giving me again the same thing. The length of the x string is 13. Here you can change anything you want to, but when you are writing the name of the string, so here you have to take care that you have written the same string name here, and you have to write the same string name when you're defining the function after that. So this is the thing. So I hope you understand that how we have used these all things here, and how we have just worked with these all things to get the value of a string or to get the length of the string. So I hope you enjoy this video in which we have seen that how to get the length of the string faster. And if you enjoy this video, and if you enjoy this different tutorial in which we have learned about a string length, so remember to hit a like to this video. And if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing, hit notification bell so you can get the notifications of all my coming up videos which I'll be uploading on this channel. And remember to share this video as well, so more people can learn that how we can work with the strings and what are string length and different things which we have covered up in strings. Because in coming up videos, I'll be telling you about different things about strings and different other topics as well we'll be discussing in coming up future videos, and I hope you'll be enjoying that as well. So if you enjoy this video, hit a like, subscribe, share, and also comment down the things which you are asking from me. Like if you have any questions, queries about these all tutorial videos which we have covered up, just comment down. I'll be giving the answer of all your queries which you have from this video or from the previous videos which I have uploaded on this C++ tutorial. And also tell me in the comment section that what things do you want from me to create in C++, like what tutorials you want from me to create in C++ or any different language which you are learning or which you want to learn. So I'll be just meeting you in next project or in next tutorial video in C++. So for today, goodbye.